What's going on, YouTube? I got another review of lead pages. I joined lead pages recently, and so far I like it. I like it so far. This is a little review of lead pages, what it offers, and it's a very good landing page builder. And I would say yes. Is it easy to make landing pages? It's very easy. It has some technical stuff that it takes some time. It took me a little time to integrate Aweber, how to do a lead box. You know, this a lead box. Hit here. A lead box is all it is when somebody hit, on your landing page. If somebody, you put click here to take them to the next step. A lead box is only, it's just a box that comes up asking them for the name and the email and say, download my ebook, or it's just a little box that appears after they click the initial box. It's a good way to convert very well also. I like it so far. There's a lot of landing pages here. I'm going to show you some here. I created these 3 landing pages, and with the landing pages, you make sure that when you create a new landing page, you name, because they got so many templates. You want to put the landing page name in the description, so okay, this is elegant thank you page. Okay, so I know what it is, and you make sure you put a slash and put what's on the landing page, and also put what you're promoting. It makes it look so easy. So when you have 4 or 5 landing pages, so I know this is here. It's a bait and squeeze page / it's an Aweber promoting Aweber, and has a silver card. So I was like, okay, now I know what that is. It's a silver card. I'm promoting Aweber, and I have the basic squeeze page, landing page. So make sure that when you do get lead pages, you name your stuff. And if you want to join lead pages, in the box below, I have a link to a 14-day free trial, retreat trial. You can try lead pages. You can start building landing pages today and start making some money, getting some leads. But make sure, it's a tip that I didn't know, make sure that whatever page that you choose, make sure you put that page here, so because a lead page has got a lot of templates, and you find one that converts like 30-40%, you might forget what that landing page is called, so you can use it again. Might target a little bit. So make sure you put the landing page, what kind of landing page it is, what's on the landing page, so you have an idea what it looks like, and what are you promoting. Is it an ebook, is it an offer, whatever. Make sure you put that stuff in. That's very important. But you look at your stats, your conversions, you look at your create a Facebook ad, very easy. Analytics, edit, and actions. And I'm not eligible for this yet. Okay, so I'm not eligible for that. But that's cool too. So yeah, next video we'll go over some templates for lead pages. So I'll point out some ones I want. You can have a video background. You can have whatever you want, man. There's a lot of lead pages templates. My next video we'll go through the templates and see which ones I like and I use the most. But yeah, I like it so far. If you're looking for there's so many lead pages, landing page builders out there. You want one that it works. You want one that it works. Lead pages is the one that works. It's easy. You can make a landing page in 10 minutes. It integrates with almost any autoresponder, especially Aweber. I suggest you go with Aweber and get lead pages, because they go together. They tie in together so well. It doesn't make any sense. You could run a business, like a multi 6-figure business, on lead pages and Aweber. Okay, if you have a blog, I said get a blog, get lead pages, get Aweber, and you have a 6-figure business in no time. The lead page will capture the leads. And you can put a lead page on your blog as well, as a pop-up on your blog as well. So you can pop up, get them leads there. You could get traffic from Facebook, PPC traffic, use the landing pages there, and there you go. So I strongly say get lead pages. If you want to get lead pages, In the box below has my link to lead pages, 14-day trial, and I have a link to Aweber as well. If you want to get Aweber to link with lead page, it links in like 10 seconds. It links like that. It has all your lists that you made with Aweber integrated with lead pages. So easy. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. This is a little next video. We'll go through templates for next video. We'll go through some templates and see, you know, before, if you sit on the fence of getting it, I'm gonna show you what you get inside lead pages, and I will scroll through and see all the templates you could use, and you might see something that catch your eye. You might want to get lead pages. So this is a little overview, how to read stats, how it looks. Make sure that you put your whatever landing page you choose, make sure you put it here. That's very important. I didn't know this in the beginning. Learn the hard way. Waste a lot of time with that. Make sure you put the landing page. So this elegant thank you page. So on up here in the create a new landing page, there's a landing page called elegant thank you page. That's all it says. And I have a nice little blue sports car. So I put a blue car, so I know, okay, blue car, I know what that is. And I put where I'm promoting the weight loss or Aweber or whatever you promote. Have that here also, so you see what's going on. So yeah, this is a quick tip. Put inside of lead pages. To the next video coming soon. Thumbs up, share my video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.